Google. Let's go get them again.
What's going on, fragrance family? Welcome to the Robes Away channel. I'm your host, Mark. Welcome to your weekly update video to let you know what you're gonna expect this week. So either A, you can put in the comments you're tuning in, or you're not. I'd like to hear the comments, or see the comments below and just see if it's a you're tuning in or you're passing. And if you are tuning in, let me know which one you're looking out for. Every week is not for everybody. We'll take a look at it. You have some hints here. Let's start it off with tomorrow. So on Tuesday, we are going to have an unboxing of Kenzo Pour Lui, which is a very rare discontinued fragrance that was released back in 1999 actually. It was a fragrance that I wanted for years and years and years. A fragrance made by Annick Monardo, a great nose. Actually kind of reminds me a little bit of another Monardo scent, Bulgari's Black. So if you want to tune in, go check that one out. It's going to be tomorrow. It is already unboxed, as you can see. That video is going to be ready for you tomorrow. Now on Thursdays, we have Test Drive Thursdays, where I test drive a fragrance, which is in my collection. It's been in my collection since 2019. I haven't done a standalone video on it. Might as well. So I have been testing this one, Alien Man. This one showed up in the fragrance community, and it went as fast as it should. It actually got a couple flankers, but other than that, Mugler has been very quiet in the men's aisle. Wonder what they're cooking up, or they're probably cooking up nothing. But I'm going to give you my thoughts with a rigorous testing of several days on this one. So I'm still testing it out. And that should be ready for you on Thursday for Test Drive Thursdays. On Friday, we're going to have an unboxing of another Xerjoff. Again, I've bought like 8 or 9 here, so I got to start unboxing. This one is not new to me. I had a sample of it. I think I did a samples 3 weeks ago on Cruz del Sur 2. This is from the Shooting Stars line. I'm a very much a hyped fragrance. On the samples, I came out happy. It's an all right fragrance. It's nothing to me personally that will blow me away. But I love having these type of fragrances in my collection, especially fruity fragrances. I don't have too much of them, so it's a good addition for me. And finally I got a bottle, so maybe I could test it more this summer. So we got 2 unboxings this week, and then on Sunday we're sampling probably the most important video on this week. Sampling sample Sundays are usually the most important videos because sampling is so important. I don't do it much as far as testing out and then buying. I usually blind buy a lot. This is of course a little Lucky Scent sample, as you can see. I haven't touched it yet, so I'm kind of late on sampling this one. I'm hopeful that I'm going to start sampling around Wednesday here. So the sampling Sunday this week, it is on the brand of Byredo. I've kind of haven't talked about Byredo in 10 plus years on my channel. You know, I bought Pulp, I bought Belle d'Afrique, and now this year I've spoken a little bit about the brand. I'm going back into it. Vanille Antique. So this is one of their newest releases. Let's do like a little teaser here. This smells like a good vanilla. So I'm looking forward to this one, and you'll have a full-fledged review on that one as a samples coming shortly. So as always, like from the start of the video, I'd like to see some comments here that you're gonna either pass on this week or you're tuning in, and which one you're gonna be tuning in on. I certainly appreciate all your support. If you're not tuning in this week, that's all right. This is not the sexiest lineup in the game, but it's a very diverse one, I think. And next week I'll have some new fragrances for you. So thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward to the comments. Have a good one.